Kendall, Florida, with its lush landscapes and year-round warmth, offers residents the perfect mix of tropical beauty and vibrant living. However, its tropical climate also presents unique challenges for homeowners, including high humidity, heavy rainfall, and intense sunshine. Choosing the right windows for your Kendall home is essential to maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. Awning windows are an excellent solution for this environment, blending functionality and style to meet the needs of Kendall's tropical climate. Here's why they're an ideal choice. Designed for superior ventilation in humid conditions, humidity is a hallmark of Kendall's tropical climate, making proper home ventilation essential. Awning windows are top-hinged and open outward, allowing them to provide excellent airflow even during light rain. This design encourages continuous ventilation, which helps to reduce indoor humidity levels, preventing moisture buildup that can lead to mold and mildew. The ability to ventilate your home without exposing it to rainwater is especially beneficial during Kendall's rainy season, ensuring fresh air circulates while keeping your home dry and comfortable. Weather resistance for heavy rain and storms. Frequent rain showers and occasional tropical storms are part of life in Kendall. Awning windows are built to withstand such conditions, offering strong seals when closed to keep water and wind out. Their unique design ensures a tight fit against the frame, protecting your home from leaks and drafts. Many awning windows are available with impact-resistant glass and durable frames made of materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass. These features make them resilient against the harsh weather elements common in Kendall, providing peace of mind during storm season. Energy efficiency to combat heat and sunshine. In Kendall's sunny weather is a blessing, but it also means high energy costs if your windows aren't optimized for energy efficiency. Awning windows can be paired with advanced glass options, such as low-E coatings and double-pane construction, to reduce heat transfer and block harmful UV rays. This keeps your home cooler during the hottest months, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system and lowering energy bills. Additionally, the ability to open awning windows slightly for ventilation during cooler evenings further enhances energy efficiency, allowing you to enjoy natural airflow without relying solely on mechanical cooling. Perfect for tropical storm preparedness. In Kendall, preparing for tropical storms and hurricanes is a priority for homeowners. Awning windows, when equipped with impact-resistant glass, provide an added layer of protection against debris and high winds. Their sturdy frames and secure locking mechanisms ensure that your home remains safe during severe weather events, making them a reliable choice for storm-prone areas. Easy maintenance in a coastal environment. Coastal and tropical climates like Kendall's can expose windows to salt air, humidity, and frequent rain, which can lead to wear and tear over time. Awning windows are designed with ease of maintenance in mind. Their outward opening design often allows homeowners to clean the exterior glass from inside the home, making upkeep convenient and efficient. Choosing high-quality materials such as aluminum or fiberglass further enhances durability and minimizes the risk of corrosion, ensuring that your windows remain functional and attractive for years to come. Enhanced security with continuous airflow. While security is always a concern, especially in tropical climates where homes often have open windows for ventilation, awning windows provide a safe solution. They can be opened slightly without compromising security, thanks to their unique design and modern locking mechanisms. This allows you to enjoy fresh air while maintaining peace of mind. Aesthetic versatility for Kendall homes. Kendall's diverse architectural styles range from contemporary designs to Mediterranean-inspired homes. Awning windows offer a sleek, minimalist look that complements various aesthetics. Whether used on their own or paired with larger fixed windows, awning windows enhance the overall design of your home while providing practical benefits. Their clean lines and functional elegance make them a popular choice for both modern and traditional homes, adding curb appeal while seamlessly blending into Kendall's tropical surroundings. Ideal for small and functional spaces, awning windows are particularly suited for smaller spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, areas that require ventilation but may not have room for larger window designs. Their ability to provide airflow while maintaining privacy and space efficiency makes them an excellent choice for these functional areas in Kendall homes. Conclusion. For homeowners in Kendall, awning windows are the perfect solution to meet the demands of the tropical climate. They provide superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and weather resistance, all while enhancing the security and aesthetic appeal of your home. Their durability and low-maintenance design ensure they can handle Kendall's humid, sunny, and stormy conditions with ease. If you're looking to upgrade your windows or are building a new home in Kendall, consider awning windows as a practical and stylish investment. With their ability to keep your home comfortable, efficient, and protected year-round, awning windows are the ideal fit for Kendall's tropical paradise.